Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn some basic concepts of algebraic expressions. Suppose this is an algebraic expression 3x square plus 4xy minus 9y square. In this expression, what we see that there are few numbers like 3, 4, 9. Suppose we have plus 10 also here and 10, and we have alphabets x and y. These numbers like 3, 4, 9 and 10 are called constants. Why they are called constants? Because their values are fixed. We cannot change value of 3, we cannot change value of 4, 9 or 10. So they are called constants. And x and y, those are alphabets and are called variables. Why they are called variables? Because we can change value of variables at any point of time. This we will learn later on. So alphabets in an expression, algebraic expression, are called variables, and the numbers, numerical values, are called constants. Now, when we see this algebraic expression, we see these are separated with each other by the operation plus or minus. So the numbers or alphabets which are separated with plus or minus are called terms. What are terms in this expression? Terms. Here 3x square is one term, 4xy is another term, minus 9y square is another term, and 10 is another term. Right? These are the four terms in this expression. Here you see that I have written minus sign with 9y square because this term is a negative term and it has minus sign before it. And these terms are positive terms which we need not to write. Plus sign is optional. We don't need to write it. Now you see these terms, there are this 3xy is multiple of three terms, three numbers like 3x and x. What? 3x square is multiple of, it is formed by multiplying these alphabets and numbers. These are called factors. So every term is formed by multiplying its factor. So factors are factors of 3x square will be 3x and x. A term is formed when we multiply its factors. 4xy, we have three factors of 4xy, 4 into x into y. Similarly, minus 9y square has three factors, minus 9 into y, and 10 has only two factors, 1 and the number 10 itself. So these are the factors. Now we'll find out coefficients of these terms. What are coefficients? If we talk about numerical coefficient of 3x square will be only numerical value, which is 3, and numerical value of 4xy will be 4. Similarly, in these two, numerical value of this term will be minus 9. And if we talk about coefficient of x in 3x square, coefficient will be what? As we know, factors of this number is 3 into x into x. We'll remove 1x, whose coefficient we have to find out, and the remaining factors will be the coefficient. This is the x which we have to find out, coefficient, and then the remaining factors are 3x. So coefficient of x in 3x square will be 3x. Similarly, in second term, coefficient of, suppose we have to find coefficient of y. Coefficient of y in 4xy. So we know that factor of 4xy is 4x and y. We'll hide this y, and the remaining factors except y will be the coefficient of y in this expression. So that will be 4xy. Okay. Similarly, in this term, coefficient of y will be minus 9y. And if we want to find coefficient of y square, that will be minus 9. In this, coefficient of x square will be 3. So we'll remove that factor whose coefficient we have to find. What are like terms and what are unlike terms? Like terms are the terms which have same factors. In this expression, if we write factors of all the terms, 3y square will have factors 3 into y into y. 3x square will have 3 into x into x. 4xy will have 4 into x into y. Then minus 9y square will have minus 9 into y into y. And 10 will have 1 and 10. And last one is 5xy. It will be having factors 5 into x into y. So what are like terms? Like terms are those terms which have same variable factors. Will not consider numerical value. Suppose in this term 3y and y are the factors, but will not consider 3. We'll only take 2 y's as a factor, that is y square, and we'll find the term which two have the same variable factors. So we see this, it has 2x and x, it has 1x and 1y. 9 minus 9y square has two factors in variable form, that is y and y. So 3y square and minus y square will be like terms. So these two will be like terms in this expression. And now we'll find some other like terms. Next term is 3x square. It has x and x as a numerical factor, variable factor. 4xy has x and y, and we have not written. This is 9y square. We left it. We'll also write 9x square. Factors of 9x square will be 9 into x into x. So we see here that 9x square and 3x square and 9x square has same variable factors, x and x. So these two will be like terms. Okay, these two will be like terms. Here we see third term, that is 4x and y. Here x and y are two variable factors. Here y also 5xy has also x and y as variable factors. So these two are like terms. Like terms are those having same variable factors. Will not consider numerical values in this part. Will not consider 4 and 5. Okay, so these are like terms, these are like terms, and these are like terms. And what are now unlike terms? Unlike terms are those whose numerical factors, variable factors are not same. Suppose this 3y square, this is one term, and we have another term 3x square. We see it has y as a factor and it has x as a factor. So they don't have similar variable factors. So they are unlike terms. Okay. These two are unlike terms. These two are unlike terms. These two are unlike terms. Okay. So in this expressions, we see that there are three pair of like terms and we have many pair of unlike factors. Now we'll learn about types of algebraic expressions. First is monomial. Monomial is an algebraic expression with one term. Suppose this is an expression 4mn. It is monomial, means it has one term. Means there is no other term which is separated with plus or minus sign. Next is binomial. it has two terms. Suppose we have expression 4mn plus n square. You see, we have two terms in this expression. Then comes trinomial. Trinomial is when we have three terms in an expression, right? Then it is trinomial. And what is polynomial? Polynomial is an expression which has more than three terms. It may have 4, it may have 5, and it may have any number of terms. So this is one example of, say, polynomial. M square n plus 6 n square m, any number of terms we can write over here. So this is polynomial. This is it with this video. Thank you so much.